What's up, guys? Your boy, the Party Monster, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys a pickup that I made from Sample Industry. Hope you guys enjoy it, but more importantly, if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit it and join the Monster Club. But without further ado, let's get it. Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young go hard and like Santa. I'm all about the ho ho ho's because I am the Party Monster, back at the House of Monster, back out with a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a pickup that I made from Sample Industry. I actually made this one a while back, and I'm kind of just now getting to it because, honestly, going to New York, I kind of want to get rid of, like, all the unboxings and just kind of focus more on new stuff and just kind of not really changing my channel 100%, but just kind of upgrading a little bit and just kind of adding new elements to it and new little wrinkles and everything to kind of make it stand out and just be an overall better channel for you guys and everything, and just kind of, I don't know, go to that next level. But anyway, I got a pickup from Sample Industry, like I mentioned earlier in the video. Those that don't know, Sample Industry is actually a collaboration of the efforts of Tony2D and Bullet RC, one of my favorite YouTubers. I actually enjoy watching both their videos. They actually really inspired me to do this whole sneaker content and everything. So again, huge fan of them both. I actually met them at a sneaker con like 5 years ago, and yeah, really dope guys, by the way, and I guess I don't get things about them. But anyway, before we get into this video, if you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the Monster Club, come hang out with your boy. And yes, it is the real grind this time of the year because I'm actually, I think, 600 views away from, I think, 7,000 for the year, which is insane because I didn't even do close to that last year. So again, it is all attributed to you guys being amazing and coming and hang out with your boy and joining the Monster Club. I do really appreciate it. I can't say that enough. Thank you guys so much. And anyway, let's get it. Okay, guys, so this might be the alcohol talking to me right now, but what I decided to do, especially in the month of December, which has always been really good for your boy, I'm actually going to be posting a new video for every subscriber I get. So basically the way it's going to work, if I get a new subscriber, say in this video, I'll post a new video the next day. If I get a new subscriber to that video, I'll post another one the following day. So basically, if you want to see more content and more videos from your boy, and I have like tons of stuff that I could be showing you guys, hit that subscribe button, join the Monster Club, and I will deliver a new video basically the entire month of December. If that's what you guys are looking for. Like, I already know where I'm at sub count wise, but again, for every subscriber, new video. And like I said, every 100 subscribers I get, we do a giveaway. So I'm looking forward to doing the next one and whatnot. And yeah, so that being said, again, because you guys are watching me right now, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of another spoiler, like kind of where the direction of this channel is going to go. I know I shouldn't be talking this much in the start of a video, but one thing I'm definitely going to be adding in is a more of like a personal element and everything, like definitely more vlogs and whatnot. And for those that don't know, your boy is single again. Bree was a terrible girlfriend. Bria left, so your boy's single, and again, I'm going to definitely focus on finding the next Mrs. Monster and whatnot, and just having a fun time along the way. Again, we're going to Tampa Bay next month, so you already know your boy's going to get crazy. If you haven't seen the last Tampa Bay video, like, we're going to step this game up a lot, which I'm always looking forward to. So anyway, here's the toast of the Monster. I know I've been talking your guys' ear off, but let's drink. We got the hard tea from Beatbox. You already know what it is. You know what we drink on this channel. It's all about the box. And we're getting a little bit festive over here. So you have the Beatbox ornament just chilling behind me, which y'all can't see because I'm literally in front of the damn thing. But anyway, we got my pickup from Sample Industry. I think I got this like last Black Friday. I think they had a really dope sale going on. And again, those that don't know, I'm a huge fan of Tony2D and Bullet RC. I love their channels respectively, and I think they put out really dope merch. So I kind of already know this is a hoodie. I think I know which one it is also, but I don't know. Let's get into it real quick. Let's take a look together. Find the meat scissors. I think I can just open this one up. And I think I'm going to announce it right here, right now, that your boy is doing a charity whatnot stream sometime next year. I want to say it's October 13th. I know it's like way down the road, but I kind of wanted to keep you guys in the know. Just know that your boy doing some charity work and whatnot, and I'm super excited about it. But here it is, Sample Industry. Again, I like to rock Sample Industry when I go to Virginia Beach every year because I know Bullet RC is from the area. And Craig actually got mistook for him, which we look nothing alike. But that kid was like really excited to see what he thought was Bullet RC, but it was just really the Party Monster. But yeah, I told him it wasn't that guy, but I don't know, he just decided just maybe, I don't know, he just probably like YouTube. I don't know. Anyway, we got this very dope brown hoodie. And I know what it's, I see it right here. It says I survived. Oh, this is fire. Check it out. This is, first of all, the quality. This is a really soft hoodie. Like, I know it won't come across on a video, but this one, it's very soft. I can't even lie. Like, I can't even front with you guys. Sample Industry on the back. Atlanta, Georgia, Virginia Beach. Toby 2Ds from Atlanta. Bullet RC's from Virginia Beach. I get it. You have this spider web. I think it glows in the dark as well, if I'm not mistaken. And I survived with an eye, with smoke coming out of it. I love it. I might have to break this one out tonight. Who knows? But it's really dope tee. They have some of the best quality merch. Like I cannot say that enough about their stuff. I have a ton of like Sample Industry in my house. Like, y'all already know I'm a huge fan of their work. So again, another A1 product from them. Oh wait a minute, we got more. We got more branding. We got Sample Industry on the, like, they kill it every time. They knock it out the park. So again, I think check them out. Like, I love their merch and everything. Okay, guys, that's gonna do it for this video and my first look at my brand new Sample Industry hoodie. I had to rock this one tonight. Super cozy, super chill, and definitely it's a good conversation starter if you're trying to, you know, meet some people outside and everything, which your boy is always trying to do. So yes, that's gonna do it for this video. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Share that like button if you enjoyed my video. Definitely share with a friend. And as always, you guys can follow me on Twitter at PartyMonster1, on Instagram at PartyMonster05. But until then, remember, don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other and party on, dudes. Peace. I love y'all. Bye.